Hey guys, what's up? It's Haley. Obviously Eric is not with me right now, even though this is our channel. Well, we're supposed to get this giant storm tomorrow. If you haven't heard of it, it's nor'easter. I live in Massachusetts, so we're getting the most of it. We're getting about 30 or more inches, which is kind of scary. Just a recap of like 2010 to now, we've had a hurricane, a tornado, an earthquake, a huge snow. There's a kitty outside we're taking care of right now, because we take care of cats outside all the time. But right now there's a gray. She's like a kitten right now. She's very, very small and really lovable, very, very cute. I love her. And we feed her outside, and we're trying to make sure she has a home before we take her in and help her. So she's been coming back. So we're assuming she doesn't have a home. So we're going to take her in tomorrow and put her in the basement so she doesn't die tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's now February 8th, 2013, and I figured out what this snowstorm is called. It's called I think it's called Winter Storm Nemo. I'm calling it Blizzard Nemo, but I mean it's starting. It's like 11:30 almost. Yeah, no, it is 11:30, and it's just starting. Most of that snow on the ground is from a couple days ago, because we got a couple of inches of snow. It's gonna pick up soon. We're supposed to get the worst around like 2. Well, it's supposed to start around 2, and then the worst is around 8. So the blizzard is gonna come around 8, but I mean it's still snowing. Oh, and the kitty that I said we were gonna bring inside today, we found her this morning. It was 9 o'clock. We brought her in. My cats don't really like her, but she's downstairs sleeping. It's 2 o'clock. This is when the storm's really supposed to like pick up, and we're supposed to get accumulation. Like this is when we're gonna get like 2 inches an hour now. But it's kind of starting to pick up. I mean, it accumulated, so you can see the snow in the business over there that you really couldn't see in the last clip I showed you. And yeah, there's more snow like on my pool deck right there, on the pool. It's around 7 o'clock, or no, just kidding, it's like 6:15 maybe. But it has gotten a lot worse that I'm going to have to open my window to show you how bad it has gotten. It hasn't gotten like to the peak of it because that's supposed to happen overnight. Okay, so. Well, the wind's blowing, and it's blowing into my room right now, which is not good. But see all these branches right here? They're wicked, like, they're getting really heavy. Like that one's already broken, the one that's swaying. There's only like 3 inches right now, but you can see the snow kinda, and it's really building up. Oh, okay, it's coming in my room now. And that's my screen. So the wind's starting to pick up. The whiteout that they said was going to happen is completely taking place right now. Alright guys, another update. It is about 7:30 right now, and it's gotten so much worse. First off, you saw my window last time. Here it is now. The branches, I don't even want to open my window, so I'm going to try and show you this. But look at the branches. Holy crap, they're so way down. I think we have about 6 inches maybe. It's only 7:30, it's supposed to last through all day tomorrow. I was kind of doubting we were going to get 3 feet, and now I'm kind of not. Oh gosh. Hey guys, so again, it's like 7:30, and I decided to come outside. Holy crap, we have so much snow. Oh my god. Well, I look ridiculous right now. First off, I'm in a winter coat that I haven't worn in like 2 years. My neighbors are going to think I'm crazy because I'm talking to a camera. Yeah, this coat smells really strange. I'm in my mom's furry boots that aren't even mine. Holy crap, look at this branch. Look at this. Oh my god. Like, I can touch this branch. Oh my god. Blizzard 2013. Holy shit. It's cold. I don't want to be out here. Where's that cat? Little kitty! Kitty! I know the cat's out here, or at least, because there's little jumping marks. There you are! I found her! Alright, I'm gonna go back inside, and I'm gonna go sit in my warm bed. And I'll come out here later, but like, I've been outside for not even a minute, and look how covered I am. Like, I'm drenched. But that whiteout thing that they were saying, definitely true. Hey guys, so Blizzard just got so fucking worse, and I'm going to show you. First off, here's my window. You can't even see on it, so. There's a car alarm going off. Hey guys, what's up? Right now I'm in my brother's room because the kitty's here. Here she is. You're cute. Holy crap. Oh my god, in case you didn't see that, we almost just got snow fucking it. Alright, it's really fucking windy. Oh my god. We're getting hit so hard. Holy shit. I can't talk to my neighbors over there. But, oh my god. You probably can't even see me right now. But holy crap, like, this is... I'm so bummed about the cat. Alright, I just want to show you these trees over here, but holy shit. One is completely down. It's completely down. Holy shit. Alright guys, I'm frozen. Literally, my hands are so cold, I think I frostbite. I just wanted to come out here and check everything out. It's legit whiteout. That's police and a plow. You cannot see anything. See that sign? That's across the street. It's my dad's barber shop, my stepdad's. But complete whiteout. It's probably really blurry, I can't tell. There's a tree friggin' falling right there. Probably can't see anything. But that little blurry spot is a tree. But I just shoveled it. Honestly, it's safer if I didn't shovel. Because it's so slippery. But there's a point in my, over here, there's wood right here, and cement right here, and you can't even tell where the drop off is, hence why I just almost killed myself. I'm gonna go inside now. Here's that tree, it's right here. Yeah, broke off completely. 2 branches actually from the top. That one's gonna fall next. And take that power line down with it. I'll go inside, I'm cold. I'm so afraid of these trees falling. Holy shit. Complete whiteout. Looks like trees are falling over there. Hey guys, what's up? Today is February 11th, and I know I didn't film for the 9th or the 10th, but I'll just give you a little bit of a recap. On the 9th, I did nothing. Absolutely nothing. I wanted to watch Iron Man so freaking bad, but I couldn't find it. We didn't have it, actually. And, yeah, so on the 9th, I did nothing. I laid in bed and I watched Burn Notice and played Xbox all day. Until I got cabin fever, and I went outside and I jumped in the snow. On the 10th, every weekend I usually go to my mom's office and I clean it with her, and I get paid for it. So on the 10th we went to her office. It wasn't plowed, so we couldn't do it, so it was 2 feet of snow in there, and we couldn't work, which sucked, because I need money. Then we went to my grandmother's house and did stuff for her, but I had to be home by 3 because Eric was coming over. And on the way home, we saw a guy stuck in the snow. We went to the grocery store, and we didn't go and help because we couldn't. Like, if we went up there, that car was stuck, so we'd get stuck, so we couldn't help. We couldn't do anything. And we weren't, like, we didn't have shoes on to push. I had boots on, and I was slipping as it was, so I couldn't do that. And then we drove home, and like two like streets down, you could probably see it from here, there's a bank, and some dude got stuck in there. And we were driving past so we could go home, like 2 streets down. We didn't stop and help. We couldn't, because we couldn't even get into the parking lot. So on our street, there's a huge bank of snow. And my mom's like, oh, we're not going to make it, and turns in. And we, of course, didn't make it. And 2 good people, at least 2 people were there and helped us, pushed us and everything. And then called our stepdad. I was like, yo, we're stuck in the snow at the end of the street. And while we're getting pushed out, Eric comes driving up. So he didn't even help. He just looked. So then Eric came over. We were waiting for Rachel, and we were bored, so we went to Walmart, and I got Iron Man because I really want. I told you, but I really wanted to watch it. So I bought Iron Man 1 and 2. After we went to Walmart, we picked up Rachel and went to my house here, and we played Madden, which Eric beat me in. We played Mortal Kombat, which Eric beat me in. And we played Black Ops gun game, which Eric beat me in. And so they left around 10, or like 9:30, 10 o'clock, and I watched Iron Man and went to bed. Well, I passed out, actually. Then today, which, by the way, guys, it's Eric's birthday today, so everybody in the comments, say happy birthday, Eric. I didn't just get back home. I got home around 3. But we went over. Rachel picked me up this morning. We went to Stop and Shop. We got pancakes and a cake. And we went to Rachel's house. She made pancakes. It was Eric's birthday, so we celebrated his birthday. Happy 19th birthday, Eric. And here I am, and I'm really bored, and I figured I should go show you the snow while there's still some out there, because it's raining right now. And needless to say, today's Monday. Today's the 11th. It's Monday the 11th. And I didn't have school, which is pretty freaking awesome. So I didn't have school Friday or today, and I don't have school tomorrow because my county sucks and can't do anything right and didn't clear the roads good enough, or the sidewalks good enough. But yeah, here's outside. I really don't want to go outside. I guess I will, but I mean, I guess you can kind of see it. It's rather. And like, look at that. That is my fence. That is a 4-foot fence, and it's up there. Like, holy shit. Anyway, guys, this video is probably super long, and every time a storm comes around here, I usually film it. This storm was really fun. It wasn't that scary. I was only afraid of losing power. I'll see you later, guys. Thank you for watching this 20-minute long video. You guys are awesome. Like it, favorite it, share it to show what happened in Massachusetts, or Eastern Massachusetts. See you guys later. Bye.